Meetings. They are a necessary part of any business, but they can be a real pain. Sharing ideas, connecting cables, and trying to involve remote team members can be a real challenge. But what if there was another way to make meetings less of a hassle and more productive? Meet Canvas, the all-in-one collaboration display that is revolutionizing the meeting room experience. With its pearl white Ultra HD display, sleek design, and integrated features, Canvas is more than just a display. It's a game changer for your team. But it's not just about the looks. Canvas is packed with features that make meetings more interactive, efficient, and productive. From its real-time touch sensing system for a pen-on-paper writing experience, to its wireless screen sharing feature that allows up to 4 users to share their screens at the same time. No more searching for the right cables or dongles. What is even better is that Canvas comes bundled with a wireless meeting software that allows you to wirelessly pair your laptop and calendar for a fast and hassle-free joining experience, completely free of any dongles or cables. It is compatible with any VC application, like Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet, without locking you into any platform. And with Canvas' built-in neural processing unit, you can enjoy the perfect meeting experience, no matter where you are. It acts as a virtual meeting director to keep everyone in frame, and zoom in on the active speaker. You can also take your meetings to the next level with the Canvas Visual Collaboration App Suite, which allows team members, from the room and remote, to collaborate in the same virtual space, brainstorm topics, and easily save and share meeting notes from any device. So why settle for a mediocre team meeting experience? Upgrade to Canvas and take your meetings to the next level that you and your teams deserve. Get yours today.